Hey Sal, what did you do?
Protect my berries, but these birds are coming to try to eat my berries up.
What did you do?
I went to the dollar store and I picked this up. And this wire here, that's what I use for my sign when I do my paint jobs. That's how I advertise. You know those plastic signs?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
They're the lawn sign, the bag signs. Yeah, so that's the wire from the bag sign. So now what?
So the birds can't get to the strawberries.
Looks beautiful.
But now I think I need to put a nail on each side
Why?
to hold the wire in place. I don't tear the